I'm in the middle of a storm. I better take cover. Oh man. Woo. Woo. Look at that. Oh man. This is not. Look at that. Something is wrong. Look at that. It's a big storm coming up. Look at that. It's blowing. It's so dark. Take cover. Blowing hard. I'm gonna take cover in this peller here. The sky is angry. Look at that. What is that? Can't believe it was so nice, but now look at that. It's just gusting. 8 miles an hour. It starts to rain. The wind is just blowing. Oh, I better take cover. I gotta go back to the peller. Oh man. Look at that. The sky is bad. Look at that. That is bad. The wind is just blowing, picking up. The storm is really intense now. I'm in the peller here, so I can just try to protect myself. All right, guys, I gotta get back in the building. Right, I gotta get in the building. It's just, yeah, you're hiding on the pillar.
Yeah.
Oh man, look at that. The sky is angry. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's tornado clouds right there.
Down low.
But it's heading to Canada though. It's heading that way to Detroit.
Right.
Yeah. Oh my. Yeah, it's gonna come down soon. Yeah, look at that. Woo! Yeah. This is intense. That is wicked. Look at that. It's about to come down. looks like something. Oh my. What is that? Looks like it's forming to like a circle. Look at that. Oh, I hope that's not an eye of a tornado. Look at that. It's... Do you see it? Oh Lord. Man, that's not right. We are in the middle of the... Right on the middle. It's forming. It's forming too. It's not spinning yet, but oh my. It's not spinning. I'm too small to be picked up immediately. Oh man, it's forming. Look at that. It's like... Look at that stuff. How can you see that? It's gonna hit soon. Looks like it's an eye right there, but hopefully it's not coming down on us. I don't think so, but it's gonna form soon. All right guys, I'm gonna go out. I mean, not out, I'm going in, because this is, you know, if it hits down the ground, we're done. I'm toast. So I will make sure that